This is the third time. 3 times that we vacuumed here or diced. You may call it vacuuming, we call it DISE. So very important to remove the dry insoluble soils from the carpet. It's 3 times. And we're gonna get the windows here. We're on the 2nd story, but today we're cleaning the inside of the windows. When we come back Friday, we're getting the outside, plus soft washing out here, pressure washing. There's a deck underneath here. So all the windows, but we're doing the inner windows today. So you see here, getting there, plus the carpet cleaning. Friday, the rest of the windows.